Alright, hello everyone and welcome to this training video. In this video I'm going to be walking you through how to set up your own tracking links inside of your website. Okay, so this is going to be specifically for things like the Facebook Pixel or Google Analytic tracking codes. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you go ahead and log into the back end of your website. You should have the login information. You would have received it once your website was completely set up. But go ahead and hit login. Okay. Once you're in the back end of your website, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to come down over to where it says plugins. Okay, and we're going to need to add a couple of things. Or actually, we're just going to need to add one main tool to your website. Okay, so if you hover over plugins, you're going to get a drop down of these three options. You're going to want to click on add new. Okay, once you click on add new, you're going to be taken to this marketplace for all these different plugins. But you're going to want to come over here to search plugins, and you're going to search specifically for header. Okay, once you search for header, it'll run the results, and then it'll give you the different type of plugins that you can add to your website. And the one we are going to add is the header footer code manager. Okay, so you're going to click install now. You're going to wait for it to install. And then once it's installed, you're going to go ahead and activate it. Okay, and now you will have this HFCM header footer plugin over here. Okay, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to hover over it, and you're going to have these two options right here. Okay, we're going to click on add new. All right, and we're going to do this for each tracking code that you want to install. Okay, so if I wanted to install a Google Analytics tracking code, what I would do is I would type Google Analytics. Okay, and this right here doesn't have to be exact. You can just put whatever you want it to be. So in this example, I'm going to be using Google Analytics. Site display, I'm going to choose site wide. Okay, exclude pages, we're going to go ahead and ignore that. Post, we'll ignore that. Location, we want to make sure it's header. We want to do show on all devices, status is active, and all you have to do now is just paste the code right here into this section. Okay, so we can just do something like that. We'll just do code. Okay, this is just an example. Obviously, you would paste the code that you were given either by Google or Facebook or any other type of tracking programs that you're using, and then you would hit save. Okay, you want to make sure that you're only doing one snippet code per snippet. Okay, so if you come over here, we can go to all snippets, and then you can see right here I have the Google Analytics one. And if I wanted to keep on adding, so for example, if I wanted to add a Facebook one, I could just do Facebook Pixel. Again, site-wide header, leave everything else the same, paste the code there. Okay, hit save. And if I come back over to all snippets, I will have both the Google Analytics and the Facebook Pixel. Okay, so that is how you install the tracking codes onto your website.